Welcome to your beginner's guide to self-love. This guide is designed to help you start loving yourself more each day. If you're new to this concept, don't worry, it's completely normal to feel a bit unsure at first. I've got some simple, practical tips to get you started. Let's dive right in. First up, affirmations. These are powerful statements that can change your mindset. Start your day with a positive affirmation. This sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. Look in the mirror and say something kind to yourself. It might feel awkward at first, but it's a great way to boost your confidence. It could be as simple as, I am worthy, or I am enough. These words are powerful and can help reshape your self-perception. Next, let's talk about setting boundaries. This is crucial for maintaining your mental and emotional health. It's okay to say no. Saying no is a way of respecting your own limits and needs. Protecting your time and energy is crucial. Think of it as creating a shield around yourself to keep negativity out. Think of it as creating a safe space for yourself. This space can be physical, like a cozy corner in your home. If something doesn't feel right, give yourself permission to step back. It's important to listen to your gut feelings. Now let's move on to self-care. This is about more than just pampering yourself. It's about taking care of your overall well-being. This isn't just about spa days and bubble baths, though those are great too. Self-care can be anything that makes you feel good and recharged. Self-care means listening to your body and mind. It's about understanding what you need to feel balanced and happy. Get enough sleep, eat nourishing foods, and make time for activities that bring you joy. These are the basics of self-care. Remember, it's not selfish to take care of yourself. In fact, it's essential for your well-being. Another important tip is to practice gratitude. This simple practice can have a profound impact on your outlook on life. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. This helps you focus on the positive aspects of your life. They can be big or small. The important thing is to acknowledge and appreciate them. This simple practice can shift your mindset and help you focus on the positive. It's a great way to start or end your day. Journaling is also a powerful tool. It allows you to express your thoughts and feelings freely. Grab a notebook and jot down your thoughts and feelings. This can be incredibly therapeutic and give you insights into your emotions. Plus, it's a great way to track your progress on this self-love journey. You'll be able to see how far you've come. Surround yourself with positivity. This means filling your life with people who uplift and support you. It also means curating your social media feeds to include content that inspires you. Be mindful of what you consume online. Remember, you have the power to choose what you consume. Make choices that nourish your mind and soul. Lastly, be patient with yourself. Self-love is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and effort. There will be ups and downs, and that's perfectly okay. Celebrate your progress and learn from your setbacks. Each step forward is a step towards a healthier, happier you. So, there you have it. Some simple, practical steps to start loving yourself. Remember, you're worth it. Every effort you make towards self-love is valuable. Take it one day at a time and be gentle with yourself. Progress is progress, no matter how small. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Your journey to self-love is just beginning. Until next time, take care and love yourself. You deserve all the love and kindness you give to others.